I was impressed on this Harbor Freight Sawzall because this is truly variable speed. The trigger is truly variable speed, and you've got this you got this rotation thing that they have, and this quick disconnect for the blade. That was nice. But let me just show you. It's got some power. It's not as powerful as Milwaukee, but this is a lot cheaper, so. Mind you, that was an old blade, and I was doing that one-handed, so definitely worth, getting if you're a hobbyist, or even if you're a handyman or something and you use this occasionally. Definitely good value.